Well, it's January 19th, 2019, and I'm on my way to the horse farm to feed my horse Lee and 3 other horses. Actually, Lee doesn't need any extra feed, but I mean, you can't imagine how miffed he would get if he saw me there and I didn't bring him in and give him something. So Lee comes in, and then I feed 3 horses for a person. I actually get paid a little bit for that. But we are on very snowy, slippery roads. So I have to drive quite slowly. The camera is not a dash cam. It's on a tripod, so it's going to wobble and wiggle a little bit. But everything in my life wobbles and wiggles a little bit. Anyways, these are a beautiful Wisconsin winter day. The first snow of 2019, the first snow. We had no snow through December and into January, but this is the first snow of 2019, and it's a significant snow. I mean, I just spent 2 hours with the Snow Brothers, playing out in my yard with the Snow Brothers, namely brush, shovel, and blower. We had a great time together. So now, here I go, and if you'll bear with me, this is not a very long journey. I'm only 3 miles from the horse farm. Horse farm is only 3 miles from where I live. I often used to ride my horse home from the farm. I haven't done that in a while. Maybe I should do that this year. Now that I'm recovering from the surgery I had this past December 5th. I did pretty well playing with the Snow Brothers, and I think I'm going to get back into riding probably quite soon. This would be a good day for a ride. This would be a good day for a ride because I love riding in the snow. And the only problem with that is so do the snowmobilers like riding in the snow. And our horse trails in the Southern Kettle Moraine State Park trails, our horse trails are shared with the snowmobile trails. So we share the same trails. So in weather like this, those people around here who own expensive machines, you can't imagine how happy they are to actually get the things out and actually be driving them in snow. We've had so little snow, and I can imagine that they get kind of desperate after a while and have to put their snowmobiles on trailers and go way up north to find it, because we haven't had much snow this year. This road that I'm on is a nice country back road. I can't tell you how many thousands of times I've driven it. Ridden my horse up and down this road many times. Lived out here for many years. Not just in the house I live in now, but my parents and I lived out on the same farm where my horse Lee lives. And that's where we're going. We're going to the place where my horse Lee lives. And so I have to take her easy because it's a little slippery. So I navigated that just fine. I see that there's a little bit of sand in this snow. The snow plows haven't salted. It doesn't look like they did anyways. So I hope if you're watching this video, I hope you aren't really hope you aren't getting upset over the jitteriness. Most people don't watch my videos anyways, which is okay. I only put them on YouTube for my own personal video diary that I keep online. If people watch these videos, fine. If they don't, well, that's life. I see a lot of idiotic videos on YouTube that after they're on there for an hour, they've got 200 views. Can you imagine that? I don't think any of my latest videos get 200 views in 2 years. At least I don't think they do. Have to look and see how many views some of my YouTube videos get. Oh, maybe I'll just have to start posting nonsense, and then I'll get more viewers. Swing and sway on the camera. I should get a dash tripod. I really should. And I really wish I could go riding today. I really do. I would love to go out. This video, and you can skip this video if you're into it. It's a part 1 video. There's going to be a part 2 video posted at the same time with the horses coming in. So you have to look for that. That'll be in the part 2 video. Here comes somebody in my direction that's, well, I guess he's turning in. I thought he was going to stay right in the middle of the road. And he has snowmobiles on his trailer. Well, I'll bet he had fun. Oh, no, it's an all-terrain vehicle. I'm mistaken. I thought he had a snowmobile there. It's an ATV. So I'll bet he had fun driving around in that thing. I had fun playing with the Snow Brothers, as I told you. It was a lot of fun shoveling and brushing the snow off my 2 vehicles. And now here we are at the horse farm. This big house that you're going to see, I lived in this house with my parents after I got out of the service in the late 1960s. We lived right here. I had this place all to myself at one time. Had my horse out back here. It wasn't the buildings we have, but sorry about the swaying video. I should have sandbags on the tripod. And here we are at the horse farm. And I'll get everything ready, and part 2 video will be the horses coming in. I hope you watch it. If not, well, I'm having fun making it anyways. Stand by for part 2.